guys! Welcome to our YouTube food vlog. Now let's start baking and cooking for our easy baked beef pizza. We need 1/2 kilo of beef strip loin. We need 6 pieces of garlic cloves chopped. 1 piece medium onion chopped. 1 piece of carrot sliced, 2 pieces of potato sliced, 30 grams of green olives, 30 grams of black olives, 1 piece of green bell pepper sliced, 3/4 of tomato ketchup, 1 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 piece of beef nor cubes, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and for the last, we need 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now let's proceed to the procedure on how to make the baked beef pizza. For the first step, for the beef strip loin, we need to slice it into thin slices. Always remember to be careful of using knives. In this video, we use beef strip loin because this part of the beef is one of the softest and easiest to cook and to get tender. Now put the sliced beef strip loin in a casserole and add 3 to 4 cups of water. Then put a 1/4 teaspoon of iodized salt to add more flavor to our beef strip loin. Now let it boil for 30 to 40 minutes. You can add more water if the beef is not yet soft and tender. When the beef is already soft and tender, remove from the heat and transfer in a bowl. Then transfer the beef broth in another bowl and set aside. Now preheat the pan for medium heat and add 1/4 cup of cooking oil. When the oil is already hot, put the potatoes and the carrots, fry it until become a golden brown. When the potatoes and the carrots is already cooked and golden brown, transfer in a bowl and set aside. Now remove some oil and leave a small amount of oil. When the oil is hot, add the onions, mix it for 30 seconds. Now add the garlic chop, mix it until become a golden brown. When the garlic is already golden brown, add the beef, mix it for 2 minutes. Now add the black pepper and the chili powder and give a quick mix. Now add 1 cup of beef broth and the beef cubes. Mix it and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, now add the tomato ketchup and mix it well. Now add the green bell peppers and the black and green olives. Now mix it and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Now next, add the dried oregano, white sugar, and the fried carrots and potatoes. Now turn the heat in low heat, mix it well and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Now transfer in a baking plate or in a baking pan. Now sprinkle some dried parsley. Then add the mozzarella cheese. You can add more cheese if you like to make it more cheesy. Now add more dried parsley to the top. You can also use fresh parsley. Baking time for 10 minutes in 180 Celsius until the cheese become golden brown. If you don't have any oven to your home, you can use the same procedure. Cook it in the cooking pan, cover it for 5 minutes, let it simmer until the cheese melts. After baking, add some fresh parsley to the top and ready to serve. And this is our super easy, delicious baked beef pizza. Serve immediately while it's hot and enjoy eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Blog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!